got here? You go to another. Okay, so number 12, Eagle borrows $18,000 cash by signing a 4-year 9% installment note. The note requires 4 equal payments of 5,556, consisting of accrued interest and principal. Okay, let's look at this. Print. In fact, let's just copy and paste. Move or copy, create a copy, go to the end. Okay, let's take out our number. Let's change our numbers a little bit. So we have borrows $18,000 on 2/1/2020. We'll put the full number in there by a 4-year note. So 360 times 4. Okay, at 9% installment, the note requires 4 equal payments of 5,556. Okay. Actually, this won't help us out very much because they're going to do something a little different. Let's just take out some of the stuff. I think I know what they're going. They're going to do a amortization schedule and then see what we got here. So prepare. Wow, look at that. Prepare an amortization table for this installment note. Okay, so let's take all this stuff out. We got the basics of it. Delete. Let's just go ahead and delete this coloring too. Okay, so we have a beginning amount. Is that even right? I'll just call it beginning. We have interest. We have principal. We have total payment. And we have ending balance. I'm just breaking this all out like this so that we can kind of, I think I know where they're going. So I'm just going to pretend I know, and then we'll see how it works. Okay, so your beginning balance is going to be this $18,000, right? Your payment, these are quarterly payments for 4 years, right? Equal of 4 equal payments. Oh, on December 31st of each year. Okay, so this is easy. Date. So 12/31/2020. 12/31/20. Oops, 2021. 12/31/2022. I can actually probably just do the simpler, but oops, 12/31/2023. 4 payments. Total payment is 5,556, 5,556, 5,556, and 5,556. Okay. Equals. Okay, so equals the beginning amount plus the interest amount minus the payment amount. Okay, and then this beginning amount is over here. I'm just going to go ahead and take out I'm going to keep this in, even though actually I'm going to delete it. Oh, equals that. Let me just go ahead and delete this, because this really isn't going to work very well. So let's insert. Let's see. Payment 5,556. There we go. Now this is going to be a little easier. Beginning amount plus interest minus principal or payment. Payment. There we go. Equals your balance. There we go. Trying to make this too complicated. So now we got everything in here. We know our payment is going to be this, right? So we can fix that. I just hit F4. I'm going to copy this down to all this. Now you'll notice, wow, look at that. There's a negative because you've overpaid theoretically, but no, because you have to calculate your interest. So your interest is that beginning the balance times your interest rate. Okay. And then let's just make these all. Let's make these all numbers. There we go. Now, if I take this and I fix the E4, right? I can put a dollar sign in front of it and a dollar sign from that. Now I can just copy this down and paste it. And oh, look at that. I'm just 16 cents off. Not bad. Usually they would put that 16 cents someplace, usually on their last payment, or they just round, since it's somewhat of a rounding issue, they would just clear it. That should be your amortization schedule. Okay, so beginning balance, your interest expense. Oh, okay, so they want you to calculate the amount that comes out of interest. So I was right that there's probably a principal component that they wanted to do. So your principal, okay, is going to be the payment amount minus the interest amount. And you can just run that through. Okay, so 39,360, 42,9. Okay, there you go. So you can total these values. That's your interest paid. That's your principal paid. Now they rounded the numbers. So if we rounded numbers to the nearest dollar, right, we probably get, they have these plus or minuses in there, right? Yeah, because you're going to be off by $1 here or there, but you're going to get the same numbers on your payment. There you go. So that's how you would construct a basic amortization schedule. Okay, you have your beginning balance, your interest, your principal, your payment, and your ending balance, which your ending balance is your beginning minus the interest, plus the interest minus the payment. And you can figure out the principal by figuring out the difference between the payment and the interest amount. Okay. Is there anything else on this exercise we need to do? It doesn't look like it. And I think I can do one more probably. What's this? Reporting liability section. Oh, no, you can do this. I just gave you a Benny. You saw the whole balance sheet. And then I think I did this one already. Compute the debt to equity ratio. Yes, I did that. All right. So that is all we got. I hope this helps out and that you have a very good, successful end of the semester. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.